Hi everyone. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you quickly and easily how to enable the remote access option, so you can generate and print tickets from anywhere in the world. Let's get started. Step 1. Access the router where you want to enable remote access. Step 2. Once you're in, a notification will appear recommending that you activate remote access. Click on Enable Remote Access. You can also access it from the top menu by selecting Settings Remote Access. In this window, click Enable. Step 3. Once it's enabled, the next time you log into the router, you'll see two options to manage the device either locally or remotely. Select the Remote Connection option. With these steps, you now have remote access enabled. This will allow you to manage your tickets remotely, securely, and efficiently, no matter where you are. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new content or updates from MikroTicket. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.